Welcome everybody to my cave update video. Yeah.
Yay!
Yeah, I'm doing a video, guys.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell them that we're all your friends.
Oh shoot.
Come over here, you guys.
Oh, wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Wait for me, guys. Wait for me. Now my headset is currently at 10%.
Let's go.
Also, I don't know why I'm making it sound like a documentary, bro. Are there no monsters in here?
No. Oh yes, there's.
Yeah.
yes.
When we get past this track, monsters will start appearing.
Yeah, that'll be a cute one. Oh, don't think that thing's cute.
Yeah,
It's
bro, it's
evil.
not cute.
Bro's evil.
Man, just spoiled the. Get away.
Dude, he's literally
Get away, please. What the hell? Oh my god.
What the flip was that? That was the flip.
Actually scared me.
Open them all.
Oh, bye.
Oh my god.
I'm getting freaking red, bro. I'm low.
It's over here.
Oh my god. Okay, gotta jump over there. I wonder what this. Guys,
No,
I think
here.
this is where the loading takes place. So this is the full cave, huh?
No, it's
Boring.
over here. No, it's over here.
There's more?
It's over here.
Oh. I want to do
I've been to this place before. Oh yeah, just fall down here. Oh no, I don't. No, I don't. Let's go over here.
I definitely
What's
don't want
this
to fall
trick?
down there. A ruby, a ruby. Want that? Steal that. I'll take it. I'll take it.
It's over here.
I'll take this guy. Where's the exit? This is my first time in this map, guys. Totally. Okay, I don't know why I said totally. It just sounds like. Is there more?
No, I was wrong. I was wrong. It's over here.
Is that all? That literally just
No.
one? Okay.
No.
I've
Over
literally
here.
never played in this map before. Actually did one time, but then I got killed by dogs. Thingies, whatever.
Yeah, it's over here.
I knew they were gonna munch on me, bro. Oh, the spider! They added spiders. That's literally like the only place where spiders are in
It's
mine.
over here.
I have to kill the spider. The spider's really blue.
Don't.
I was killing the
Oh.
spider. What the freak?
Hey, you have to swim down here. This is. Do you want to see the new mob? It's over here.
I do not have a good feeling about the water.
Bro, come.
I do not have a good feeling about this water. Ooh, sorry. That was not blood. That was definitely not blood.
Come over here. It's in here.
What the hell is that thing?
Look what.
What the hell? What the? What? Can you hit this guy?
Yeah, you can hit him.
Okay, let me get something.
Oh snap! No!
Do we just have to keep hitting it? Why do I keep hitting you?
He ate my grappler.
Do you eat pickaxe? Do you want this? No! I gotta go back. Okay, so yeah, those were the 2 new monsters. I'm out. That's literally my first time in that map.
They're gonna add back the office.
Okay, when are they adding back Office, by the way? Okay, guys,
In
so
the- in this-
after
in-
the
in the
video, I
next
actually
one.
friendly.